Your windows are more than just openings to the outdoors. They protect your home, provide natural light, and play a big role in energy efficiency. For homeowners in Middleton, where seasonal temperature swings bring cold winters and warm summers, your windows need to work hard all year long. But like any part of your home, windows eventually wear out. Recognizing the warning signs early can save you from higher utility bills, discomfort, and costly repairs. Here are the top signs it's time to replace your windows in Middleton. Drafts and uneven temperatures. Do you notice chilly air near your windows in the winter or hot spots in the summer? Drafts mean the seals around your windows are no longer effective. This is a common issue in Middleton's climate, where freezing nights and warm afternoons put stress on old frames and seals. Impact on your home. Drafts make rooms uncomfortable and force your heating and cooling systems to work harder. Solution: replacement windows with modern insulation and weather stripping eliminate drafts and help regulate indoor temperatures. Rising energy bills. If your utility bills keep climbing despite no major changes in usage, your windows could be the problem. Older single-pane windows or those with broken seals allow energy loss, especially during Middleton's colder months when heating is essential. Impact on your home. Higher bills and more strain on your HVAC system. Solution: energy-efficient double or triple-pane windows with low E coatings and gas fills keep warm air in during winter and block excess heat in summer. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Should open and close smoothly. If yours stick, jam, or won't stay open, it's a clear sign of age or damage. Humidity, warping, and worn-out hardware are all common culprits. Impact on your home. Reduced ventilation, safety concerns, and frustration with daily use. Solution: new windows glide smoothly, provide proper ventilation, and feature secure locking mechanisms for peace of mind. Condensation between panes. If your windows look foggy even after cleaning, it usually means the seals have failed and moisture is trapped between panes. This is especially common in older double-pane windows. Impact on your home. Reduced energy efficiency and a cloudy view. Solution: replacement windows with updated seal technology prevent condensation and maintain clear, efficient performance. Visible damage and wear. Cracked glass, peeling paint, or rotting frames don't just look unattractive. They can also compromise your home's protection. In Middleton, where moisture and temperature changes are common, wood frames in particular can deteriorate quickly if not properly maintained. Impact on your home. Increased risk of leaks, water damage, and reduced curb appeal. Solution: replacement windows with durable materials like vinyl or fiberglass resist rot, warping, and weather damage. Excess noise indoors. If you can easily hear traffic, neighbors, or outdoor activity while inside, your windows may no longer provide adequate sound insulation. Impact on your home. Less peace and quiet indoors. Solution: multi-pane windows with insulated frames block noise and create a more comfortable living environment. Outdated appearance. Sometimes, the biggest sign is simply the way your windows look. Outdated styles, faded finishes, or mismatched frames can drag down your home's curb appeal. Impact on your home. A tired-looking exterior and lower property value. Solution: modern replacement windows instantly refresh your home's appearance while improving functionality. Final thoughts for Middleton homeowners. Keeping windows in top shape is essential for comfort, energy savings, and curb appeal. If you've noticed drafts, foggy glass, rising energy bills, or difficulty operating your windows, it may be time to consider a replacement. Upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows not only solves these issues but also adds long-term value to your home. With professional installation, your new windows will provide lasting performance, helping your Middleton home stay comfortable and beautiful for years to come.